Welcome back to Old Studio Car, the channel where we take a deep dive into classic automotive legends. Today, we're turning the clock back nearly a century to revisit a true icon of American motoring history, the 1930 Ford Model A. This legendary car wasn't just a mode of transportation, it was a symbol of resilience, innovation, and mass appeal during one of the toughest economic times in U.S. history, the Great Depression. The Ford Model A was introduced in 1927 as a successor to the Model T, but the 1930 version brought with it a number of updates that made it stand out. The exterior of the 1930 Model A received some significant refinements. Gone was the straight, utilitarian look of its predecessor. In its place, Ford introduced a more streamlined body, featuring elegant fenders, a slightly wider radiator grille, and a modernized bumper design. One of the most notable features of the 1930 update was the shift to a heavier, more substantial body, which gave the car a more durable and premium appearance. Chrome accents, clear glass headlamps, and improved paint options helped elevate its appeal to middle-class buyers looking for reliability and a touch of style. The car's overall look in 1930 had evolved to meet consumer demands for something more refined and less industrial. The Model A came in various body styles including the Tudor sedan, coupe, roadster, phaeton, and pickup, allowing customers to choose a car that fit their lifestyle. With options like wire-spoke wheels, dual-side mounted spare tires, and even rumble seats on certain models, the 1930 Model A was customizable and stylish for its time. Under the hood, the Ford Model A was powered by a 3.3-liter inline-4 engine. It might not sound like much by today's standards, but it was a major step forward from the Model T. The engine produced around 40 horsepower, which gave the Model A a top speed of approximately 65 miles per hour. In the 1930s, that kind of performance was impressive, especially for a car aimed at the average American family. The engine was paired with a 3-speed manual transmission that delivered smooth, predictable shifts. Driving the Model A was a relatively comfortable experience for its time, with mechanical brakes on all 4 wheels and a solid suspension system that could handle both paved roads and rougher rural paths. When it came to fuel economy, the Model A averaged around 20 to 25 miles per gallon. Again, this was more than respectable for its era, especially when compared to some of the larger, less efficient vehicles being built at the time. For families watching every dollar during the Depression, that kind of fuel efficiency made a real difference. As for price, the 1930 Ford Model A was an affordable vehicle, and that was a major part of its success. When it was new, the base model started at around $385, with more luxurious versions going up to around $570 depending on body style and options. Adjusted for inflation, that would be equivalent to somewhere between $6,000 to $10,000 in today's money, a bargain for a car that offered solid performance, stylish design, and dependability. Today, the 1930 Model A is a prized possession among collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Depending on condition, restoration quality, and model type, you can find these cars selling anywhere from $10,000 to upwards of $30,000 or more in the current market. Restored originals in mint condition are particularly valuable, especially rare variants like the Deluxe Roadster or the station wagon. To sum it up, the 1930 Ford Model A was more than just an updated vehicle, it was a statement. It represented Ford's commitment to innovation and mass production, making quality automobiles accessible to the average American. With its distinctive styling, dependable performance, and surprising comfort, it became one of the most beloved cars of its time and remains a historic automotive milestone nearly 100 years later. Stay tuned to Old Studio Car for more classic car reviews and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into automotive legends.